Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil futures and options market today. So let us see what happened yesterday. The chart you're seeing is the 7-minute candlestick chart for MCX crude oil. Yesterday the price opened below 5060, found resistance around 5060, and it provided some support around 5020, but that resulted in a failure that pushed the price towards 4920, where the market tried to give a bounce back towards 5000 and closed near that. Today you can expect the market open somewhere near 4980, so you can go for selling till 5020 by placing stop at 5040, expecting the market to come and hit various target marked as possible support. If by any chance if the price again moves above 5060, or if you get any closing and opening above 5080, then we will think about going on the buying side. Till then we will maintain our selling view. How we can put this in the options market? As you all know, nowadays we are trying to focus on crude oil options because of the margin regulations and also the various advantage you have while trading in options market compared to the futures. Usually this option chain is for this current expiry, where you can see 4950 maybe that the money option for today. Since our expectation is that the price can continue selling, you need to select put option and you buy put option 4900 strike, which closed around 99 rupees yesterday. So it means that if you buy two quantities of because see this put option, which is just one strike out of money, which means the value of the delta will be 0.45. so if you buy two contracts, which may be equivalent to the one futures market, and also you are going to be a buyer, so you pay 99, assume that it is 100 rupees, 100 into 100, 200, so the margin amount what you are going to so not the margin amount, the premium what you are going to pay is for 20,000 rupees. So 20,000 rupees is for trading in options, and the same leverage you can get while trading in options compared to the futures, where you pay the margin of nearly 1.25 lakhs. So there is some advantage you want to, if you want to learn, please options market, please contact us. Now let us see the option chart. See, this is the 4900 put option chart here, 4000 this particular strike, and I had decreased the scale. Yesterday the price from 490 it went up till 140 and came down and closed near 100. I had decreased it so that we could understand some price actions. See, now the price closed near 100. Today you can expect the market to open somewhere near 110 or within this range. Wherever it opens, you can place stop at 80 and you can still buy this put option, expecting the value to increase to reach 160 or maybe near above 120 or 160. So just with a 30 and 25 point stop, you can trade in this option market by buying this 4900 put options. So kindly open trading account with Goodwill. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and give a missed call to 937 927 for account opening. Take care. Bye.